Well, hello, ladies. How are you? I want to share something with you. I want to share one of my favorite Juice Plus shake recipes, right? And so I have three recipes, but I'm going to share one with you for now. And first of all, how are you doing with your Juice Plus? I'm telling you, I am loving it. I tell you, I have not felt so good in a long time, right? Um, I have my supply, like I divide my daily use by days, right? So I have my I do the I first of all, I know you all got the essentials, right? The 4 jars, and so we all got it, right? That's the way to go, right? So you take two. Just want to make sure you're doing it right, right? So you take two capsules of each bottle, right? So that's four, that's eight, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, that's 8 capsules that you would take per day, right? And so what I normally do, and so I actually increased my amount, right? So I take the 8, right? I throw, well, I don't really personally like the taste of the omega in my shake, so I just put the omega in my mouth and I just bear it, right? But in terms of the juice capsules, the vegetable capsules, and the berries, I throw all 6 of those in my juice, right? My shake that I'm going to share with you. It tastes so good, right? And so what I did was I increased my intake. So I take my 8 in the morning with my shake, and then I take another, not another set. I just take another one of each jar. So that's another 4, one from each jar in the evening. And that has really, because see, I stopped taking my other herbs and magnesium and turmeric. That's for your bones and for inflammation. So I said, I'm going to go all in, and I am going to just see how just taking this nutritional capsule works for me. So to replace me taking the magnesium and the turmeric, I simply just, like I said, take one of each jar in the evening. So basically, I'm taking 12 capsules, right, per day, and 8, 9, 10, 11, yep, 12 capsules per day. But I'm telling you, it's food, y'all. Remember, it's food. So what I do, and then y'all, I take the gummies, and the gummies are so good. So I take 2 each of the gummies, right? Because my granddaughter went back to California. I gave her an ample supply. So I kept a bag for myself. And so I take 2 gummies in the morning, 2 fruits, and 2 vegetable gummies in the morning. So I'm really flooding my body. I needed to do that because I stopped taking the Cascara Sagrada. Remember, I told you I take a natural laxative as well. So I stopped everything, and I wanted to give this a try. Now, one other point before I share this recipe is that the capsules are not a cure all. So if you have special medications that you're taking, gently wean yourself from those, and then increase your intake of the capsules. Right? Make sure that you tell your doctor what you're doing, and even introduce them to them, right? Introduce the capsules to your doctor, but gently, decrease. I wouldn't just stop cold turkey, with that. And also make sure you drink lots of water, H2O, and also tweak, or adjust your diet. So I wouldn't, just think that these capsules are a cure all for anything. It's an additional nourishment, nutritious food in a capsule. So it all works together. You start, making the different lifestyle changes, get more exercise, drink plenty water, and then change, maybe you can change your diet or adjust your diet, eat more salads, right? If you're not eating any salad during the week, add a salad in your meal for the week, right? So just make little small changes and then watch and see how your body reacts to it, and then just keep going, right? So I just want to give those tips. So we're all on this journey together, and I absolutely love it. Okay. Now, the first recipe I want to share with you is one of my favorites, and it's you take one small to medium banana, and you put this in a blender, right? You put this in a blender. So you put one small to medium banana. If you have a large, that's even better, right? Banana, a half a cup of orange juice, and then 1 cup of silk soy milk. I usually like the vanilla flavor, right? Have you seen that Silk brand soy milk? And it's the vanilla flavor I like. You can choose whatever flavor you like. If you want to use almond milk, whatever. I'm just giving you what I do. Okay. And then 1 cup of cubed ice or crushed ice. And then one medium to large mango cut up, right? Fresh mango. And then, cube that up and throw that in there. And then you put your 2 capsules each of your berries, your vegetables, and your fruits capsules. Throw those in there as well. And then I like to eat my omega, right? So, I just put it in my mouth and it just dissolved. Now, if you don't mind the taste of that, throw that in too. Put it on the blender, turn the blender on and let it really whiz together and really for at least a minute, right? Let it really blend well. And I'm telling you, that's some good eating in a drink, right? So that's the first recipe I want to share with you. I'll come back another time and share another video one time and then another one another time. Okay. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I just want to give you those little tips and just share, what my experience is. So in the comments below, write down what your experience is. Share what your experience has been with, starting the Juice Plus regimen. Now, if you're watching this video and you're not on the Juice Plus, what are you waiting for? Right? You probably didn't even know about it. So, Juice Plus is nutrition in a capsule, is food in a capsule. And many of the ladies here in the community have decided to take our health, right? And to the next level. So I can share my link with you so that you can check out what Juice Plus is all about. And if it makes sense to you, become a customer. And listen, if you want to make a couple of extra dollars on the side, they have an awesome compensation plan that you can sign, that you can become a partner with Juice Plus. I am a partner of Juice Plus, and they pay me for sharing the good news, right? So if you're going to share the good news with your loved ones and family, why not get a little change on the side? And so one last thing, if you have small children or, children, grandchildren from ages 4 to 25, they have a program called Healthy Starts, and you can get their supply, which is what they get is the fruits and the vegetables, either capsule form or gummies, for absolutely free. And the package that I highly recommend that we all got was the essentials, right? And that includes your vegan omega capsules and your vegetable capsules, your berries capsules, and your fruits capsules. So that's 4 jars of nutrition, right? And then you get the gummies and or the capsules for free for your young love, right? Your young person. And so listen, if you need any help with anything, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to walk you through. But right now, I'm going to put the link to the website that you would click on and learn all about what Juice Plus is. And if you want to sign up as a customer, it's really self-explanatory. What you do is click the button, especially if you have a young person, click the button that says Healthy Starts, and it's right in the middle. And then you fill out all the information, and where it says who is your partner, you put me as your partner, Renee Floyd, and sign up and order your essentials, right? The 4 jars of essentials, and add, the supply for your young person, ages between 4 and 25. And I'm telling you, you will be on your way. And then we're going to have another meeting, another Zoom meeting with all of us on here, giving our testimony, answering any questions that you may have. And so listen, hey, I am here to help. If you need my help, reach out. But the website, I'm going to put the link, is reneefloyd.juiceplus.com. And I'll put the link in the chat, in the comments section, reneefloyd.juiceplus.com. And that's RENE, not EE, right? So anyway, I'll have the link. So anyway, I hope you all enjoy. Make that shake and let me know how you like it. And let's get busy with getting our health in alignment so that we can be the best we can be, so we can have the prettiest hair we can have, right? Because health starts from the inside out, right? And so this is part of our journey of becoming healthy from the inside, and our hair being as pretty as it can be, right? So I will talk to y'all later, and you all have a great evening. Peace.